Hi guys!
Hi!
I'm Marcela. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you are very well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do an elegant hairstyle perfect for any special occasion with curls and ribbons. Let's start. Okay, first of all, we're going to do some divisions. The first one on one side of the head. Now another one from here to the ear, leaving one or two fingers from the forehead. And now we're going to do another one, leaving one or two fingers as well. We're going to hold the hair on this side, and we're going to do another division following the same line from the last one. Next, we're going to hold the hair out of the way with a regular bend. I'm going to start on this side doing a Dutch lace braid. We're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one. And now we're gonna add a tiny piece of hair to the braid. Again, cross the outside strands under the middle one. And we're going to add a tiny piece of hair. Cross under the middle and add hair to the braid. We're going to keep doing the same steps until we reach the end and hold the braid with an elastic band. If you have long hair, you have to do the braid until you reach the neck. On the other side, we're going to do exactly the same braid with each one of the sections and hold the braids with an elastic at the end. Now we're gonna need a piece of ribbon. This one is round, as you can see, is not flat. And we're going to need a big needle as well. We're going to pass the ribbon through the loop of the needle. And we're going to start passing the needle underneath the first strand of the braid. In here, we're going to leave out a piece of ribbon. And now we're going to pass the ribbon again underneath the first strand. We're going to leave the ribbon behind the needle. For the second stitch, pass the needle under the ribbon and under the next strand of the braid. Leave the ribbon behind the needle and pull it to the other side. Again, pass the needle underneath the ribbon, under the next strand of the braid. Leave the ribbon behind the needle and pull it to the other side. One more time, we're gonna pass the needle underneath the ribbon and the next strand of the braid. Leave the ribbon behind the needle and pull it to the other side. In here you will start to see the pattern is so pretty, and we're going to keep doing the same thing until we are on the other side. Cut the remaining ribbon and grab another one thin and flat. In here, all we have to do is passing the ribbon underneath the strands of hair that you can see all along the headband. In here, I'm passing the needle underneath the strands of hair. Now pull it to the other side, and we're going to need to fix the ribbon every time. Again, pass the needle under the hair and pull it to the other side. Pass the needle under the hair and pull it to the other side. Fix the ribbon and keep doing the same steps. When you finish, cut out the remaining ribbon and we're going to wrap it around the braid. Hold it with an elastic band at the end. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, joining both of the braids. To finish and hold the headband, we're going to grab the braids and hold them together using an elastic underneath the hair. In here, I'm going to use a piece of ribbon. This one is thicker, and I'm going to decorate the headband doing a bow. We're going to fix the ribbon, and when you finish, cut the remaining piece. Now we're going to do the curls. For this, we're going to split the hair into 3 equal sections. On the first section, as you can see, I'm doing the curls to the right side, and we're going to do the same thing with all the hair from this section. Now we're going to grab the second section, and this time we're going to do the curls wrapping the hair to the left side. This is the best way that the curls will be defined during the whole day and they will not join together. For the top section, we're going to do the curls to the right side again. To finish the hairstyle, we're going to apply a little bit of hairspray and comb the hair just on the top without touching the curls. Okay guys, this is all for today. If you like this hairstyle, leave us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out our website so you can see photos of this one and our hairstyles. See you on the next video. Bye!
Bye!